So in this kayak.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to book a hotel on kayak.com. Once kayak.com is opened up, I want you to go to this main page here and make sure that stays is selected. So just go ahead and press on stays. Once stays is highlighted orange, I want you to go ahead and select your destination in regards to where you're staying. So for this example, how would I go ahead and I'll search up Las Vegas, as there's lots of good options there. I'll then type in your date. We'll go ahead here and just select, August 10th to August 13th, and then we'll go with one guest right here, and then press on search. It'll then redirect you to a new page here, but once you're on this page, you can go ahead and actually book a different hotel of your choice. So first and foremost, if you want to stay in a hotel, make sure that under type of stay right here, you press on that you have rentals and unique stays checked off. So make sure that hotels is checked, then press on apply. Now once you're here, you can go ahead and view a bunch of different hotels either through this way, or you can go to the map this way as well and check out, what's coming up in regards to the map view. So if all looks good, you can go ahead and then press on view deal and then go ahead and book your hotel that way. But super simple, super straightforward. This is how to book a hotel on kayak.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.